I have a brand new Bosch dishwasher showing E24 when towards the end of a cycle. It's just been installed and there are no kinks or blockages in the pipes. After about 30 to 40 minutes of a 1-hour cycle, the error code comes up and there's a load of water sitting inside the machine. Help.
Welcome, my name is I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. I'm so sorry that no one else has responded to you. Apologies for my delay in replying, I only just came online and saw your question. Are you still looking for help with this? Please just use the reply button to contact me. This is indicating a failure to drain in time. As this is brand new, can you tell me how and where the waste hose is connected to the house waste? Thanks, Rob.
Hi, I'm still looking for help, although I do have a service engineer coming to take a look tomorrow morning too. The drainage hose is connected to the U-bend trap bit under the sink using a push connector point, where the last dishwasher also connected in. The connector has had its blanking plate removed and the hose line is clear of any debris or kinks, etc. Cheers, Paul.
Hi Paul, you can see where I was going there. Thought the blanking plate was still there. Have you tried pulling the machine back out and putting the hose in a bucket? Start any new cycle and it should try to pump out Rob.
Indeed. Smile. I must admit I haven't tried the bucket option. One question, how big a bucket? I will then give it a whirl.
Hi Paul, just a normal car washing type bucket. If it starts to get near full, just turn off the machine at the power and raise the hose. Let me know how it goes, Rob.
Arg. Thank you. I think I have found the problem, and a very obvious problem it was too. I had removed the blanking cap from the trap, U-bend connector and thought that was it. However, I've just found that the push connector adapter, it goes from a screw fitting to a push, also has its own blanking cap. I'll remove this and expect things to start moving and then cancel the engineer. At least they didn't turn up tomorrow, that would have been more embarrassing. Once I confirm all is okay, I'll add my smiley face. Thanks, Paul.
Hi Paul, well done. It would be more than embarrassing, they would have charged you for the call out. Yikes, glad to have helped. Take care and thanks for rating. All the best, Rob. Hi Paul, is everything working okay? If so, please don't forget to rate, as this is the only way I get credit for helping you today. Thanks, Rob.
I have a quick cycle going now, but it's certainly looking good. Should be able to confirm all is resolved in the next 10 to 15 minutes.
Hi Paul, sorry, I think the system is playing up, wasn't sure you got my previous answer. I'll leave it with you, any problem just let me know, Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.